Welcome to the Makey introduction video. To start out, we're going to get to know our breadboard, which looks like this. There's also a back to the breadboard, but we're just going to focus on the front. So you'll notice there are 4 arrow keys, up, down, left, right, a space bar, and a click that we can connect to give our breadboard power. There's also an earth bar, which we're going to refer to as our ground power today, or our negative power. So the first thing is you open your kit, you're going to find wires and some cords in here. Here's our breadboard we talked about. These wires are going to be used to connect to our earth or our arrow keys or our space or our click. This is our cord that's going to connect our breadboard to our computer. These wires will be used on the back of our Makey, which we will not address in this video quite yet. So the first thing we need to learn is, what does a circuit need to power? So the first thing is it has to have a conductive source that gives energy. We usually call that our positive source. And a ground wire that balances the charge. So that we'll call our negative source. And there needs to be a connection between these two. So you'll notice they're connected in a full circle or circuit here, which is going to power this light bulb. So with a Makey, our positive or our conductive source here is our Play-Doh. And it's connected to our circuit to the space key. So any of these keys up top will be our positive source that will be conductive here. Now our ground wire here is connected, so we have a negative wire and we have a positive wire, but our circuit does not connect in full circle here. We've got a gap on this side. So with a Makey, we connect that when we touch our connective source. So the negative is traveling through our body to our other arm, to our piece of Play-Doh here, and now our circuit is connected. Now if we wanted to do multiple buttons, this would be the same thing. Right now my circuit is open, it's not closed, so I've got my earth or my negative charge here. I have 2 buttons, and when I click my finger on either of these buttons, my circuit will be connected and the space bar would be clicked here, or the click would be clicked here.